understanding, courage, and most of all, we have been tested in our behavior, and now we are more disciplined. Many of us were lost along the way for reasons known and unknown. Many times along this crazy journey, we wish we were one of the men that stopped and gave up. But we remember what was waiting for us at the end. Remember the reasons we came here, whether it was for family, friends, loved ones, or rather we were just forced to. Whatever the reason might have been, we accepted the challenge. Also to go to better ourselves in every aspect, whether it was mental or physical. We conquered our demons and we faced our fears. And all I can say to everyone here is, we made it. We made it through bad, we made it through good and bad times. We made it with pain, the struggle, the tears, and everything that simply just tried our patience. We had experiences that we will never forget and made bonds that will last a lifetime. Now this is part of our lives is over. It's time to take our lives into our own hands and make something out of it. To keep growing and become better friends, family, sons, daughters, and just better human beings. We accepted this challenge and we conquered this challenge. Today we are more than just you. We are more than just conquerors. We are young men and young women powerful beyond our belief. And who have just began to tap into our full potential. For we are great at everything we do. We are great because we are made. Now it's time to show the world how great we really are. No matter what, to always remember,
outstanding. At this time, your class president will reveal the class plaque for class 40, which displays all of your names, and this plaque will be placed in the dining facility at Youth Challenge Academy for all future students to come and see your name.